No rush in my step today, no plans I need to chase. Just sunlight on the table and quiet in this space. I water plants, they drink it slow. The room breathes soft and low. Every moment lingers, and that's enough to know. It's a simple day, nothing loud or bright, but peace comes in pieces when I'm not holding tight. It's a simple day, and that's okay with me. A gentle kind of living that lets my mind just be. Clouds drift across the window like